In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a video using Canva. Suppose this is my video. This video will be displayed on YouTube. Okay, here. And I want to add an image here as a watermark. So you can just choose an image here, put it here. And if you want to add a thumbnail inside the video, instead of adding it through YouTube, here you can choose a thumbnail, then resize it. This is my thumbnail for this video. And then I would like to add a video for please subscribe. If you don't have this video, you can make one. Here it is. It is a template. Thanks for subscribing should be changed. Just type please subscribe. Here it is. Then you can add your name here. I'll just increase the size. It's good now. I'll just change the background. Instead of this, I would want this here. And the background, I can change it. There it is. This I don't want red. I would like it light blue. And this I would like it a little darker. This looks good now. I'll just increase the size of this. And this also. I'll change the color of this to dark blue. Or you can make it light purple or any color you want. This is okay for me. Now, this video is 1 minute and 33 seconds. You can download it as MP4 and then you can use it on YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.